Hi everyone, Dr. 𝒑𝒂𝒊𝒏 with 𝒑𝒂𝒊𝒏 Chiropractic and Wellness. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how chiropractic care can help eliminate low back pain. Now, most low back pain is going to come from joint dysfunction. And dysfunction happens when one end of a joint is not aligned with the other end of a joint, and the muscles that are controlling that joint are also discombobulated. And so when that happens, think about this. If every joint in the body has a joint capsule around it, or essentially a water balloon, and that water balloon has directional sensing motion nerves around all sides of it. And if we detach one side of those sensors and we have motion around that capsule, we do not sense that motion properly. So the brain is not getting the proper information from that area of the body. So the body moves abnormally. Abnormal motion leads to pain. Pain then can eventually lead to not using it properly for a long period of time, and we have degeneration. So with chiropractic care, what we aim to do with this and how it can help is we fire off all of the nerves in a specific direction around that joint capsule. The brain picks that up as proper motion and says, whoa, if I can have information from that area, I don't need to spasm, I don't need to cause pain, we can restore motion. And the treatment plan with the continual repetition of doing that creates a new reflex pattern or a muscle recall pattern in that area of the body. And so by firing off those nerves properly, we restore proper function, and hopefully then we can space care out, and you don't need continual care every other day to feel better. So now in our society, because of how we live, I can't take away your job, I can't take away the rigorous race that you just put your body through doing a half marathon. So periodic care is also recommended, but that's because we want to keep the function. We want to keep the brain talking to those sensors in your body and in your joints for as long as possible and as efficient as possible. This is Dr. 𝒑𝒂𝒊𝒏 with 𝒑𝒂𝒊𝒏 Chiropractic and Wellness, and we'll see you on the next video.